what's really kind of neat though is we started in June of 2012, and I started in Canada, and diabetes reversal is just so foreign. And now it's, a decade later, and I'm living in San Francisco, and I actually had a medical appointment at Stanford University not that long ago. And the doctor was just taking my medical history. And she said, are you, or have you ever been a diabetic? And I asked her to sort of explain the second half of her statement. She said, well, nowadays, we know that there are interventions that can reverse diabetes. So, and I thought, oh, this is so cool because, she didn't really know a whole lot about fasting. We started talking afterwards, obviously after I explained my medical history. She's like, I hear it's trendy. I don't really know about it. I try to eat paleo. Like, that was about it. But she's like, it's now becoming common knowledge that type 2 diabetes is something that can be reversed in certain circumstances, is what she said. So it's nice to see sort of mainstream. I would say she was definitely a full mainstream physician in Western medicine, not integrative, not functional by any stretch of the imagination, but it's really cool to see this stuff sort of stretch out.